If your furnace is making popping or banging noises on startup or shutdown, it's probably trying to tell you something is off and needs a quick check. So, first thing, you want to inspect the heat exchanger because sometimes when it heats up or cools down too fast, it can create those annoying sounds. Next, check your ducts for any loose parts or debris that might be causing the noise when air rushes through. Make sure your furnace's air filter is clean because a clogged filter can mess with airflow and make weird noises. Another tip is to see if the blower motor is running smoothly. Sometimes dirt buildup or worn belts cause banging sounds. Also, look for any signs of rust or cracks in the heat exchanger, which can be dangerous and might need a pro. Tighten any loose screws or panels on your furnace casing to avoid rattling. Don't forget to turn off the power before you start poking around to stay safe. Lastly, regular maintenance every year can keep your furnace quiet and working right without surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy furnaces is ignoring popping or banging sounds because they think it's normal. This can lead to bigger issues like cracked heat exchangers, which are costly and unsafe. Get it checked by a professional right away. Another common problem is not replacing air filters often enough, causing poor airflow and strange noises. Swapping filters every 1 to 3 months depending on usage fixes this. A third issue is skipping duct inspections. Loose or damaged ducts cause banging when air hits them hard, so securing or repairing ducts stops the noise and improves heating efficiency. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know how to fix furnace troubles like popping noises fast and safely. Contractors get more work by connecting with people nearby who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone dealing with home heating problems.